Here.
That's not what you were doing before to make me behave that way.
That's not.
What if a cat brought it in? What if a rat brought it in?
That is not nice, girl.
Yeah, maybe. What if a rat brought it in?
Yeah, what if it's in here?
What if it is?
Yes.
No, Kenan, don't go there. Don't go there.
Whoa.
It could have been a rat because they do that, you know. They bring
Please don't put that in my hand.
they bring birds inside your house and then they leave. You hear that?
Yes.
Maybe that was the rat.
I don't like what's happening right now. I don't like what's happening!
No.
Daddy,
Yeah.
I said that's not nice to girls. It's not nice.
It's not nice, right? There's
Yeah.
nothing to be afraid of because whatever it is, things happen like that. You know, like birds fly into windows and sometimes they die. And then you gotta just go take them out and bury them, right?
No. Dang.
There's nothing to be afraid of. That's for sure.
Whoa.
Except for like, you know,
It's scared.
if there's a rat inside the house.
Please don't say that. That's not going to make me sleep
It could have brought, yeah, it's possible.
Oh, a rat dragged up a dead bird.
I don't know, it's your idea. Hopefully there's not one behind the couch there.
I want
Oh.
that.
Oh no.